Hello, this is Team 1 research presentation. The team members are listed below. Our company history. H&H Products Inc. is owned by Jerry Hartman and started in 1981 as a sole proprietorship and franchise distributor of auto and industrial cleaning chemicals. In 1987, H&H began distributing a complete line of kitchen cleaning chemicals under its own label. Within 4 years, H&H moved to a much larger facility and became an S corporation. Utilizing the creativity of their employees has led to the most advanced chemical dispensing system available today. The Sinai Select systems have been approved for Army use by Fort Lee Equipment Division as well as by Aberdeen approving grounds. The NSF Joint Committee unanimously voted to alter Standard 3 dishwashing machines and Standard 29 chemical feeders to accept the development of its new technology. H&H Products Inc. is located in Duns, North Carolina, and as of 2017, the population in Duns, North Carolina is 9,734. Outline. The client H&H Products Inc. offers a complete line of food service cleaning products and specialty chemical solution. The client is interested in assistance with retaining national stock numbers, NSN. The client would like assistance with preparing and refreshing his company's website so that he can reach more traffic for business and the general public. Team 1 will assist the client with preparing a new capability statement. And finally, Team 1 will assist the client with preparing a market analysis on the attractiveness and the dynamics of his market within the industry. Listed below are each of the areas where we will be assisting our client and who will be talking in regards to those points in regards to this research presentation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel and I will be talking about business with the government. Our client has expressed interest in obtaining national stock numbers, also known as NSNs, for his products. A national stock number is a number that is used by all government agencies that is unique for every single different item or product. Mostly all supplies used by the government have an NSN. I'm currently a logistics specialist in the Army and work with NSNs every day. The way I use NSNs is by looking up a specific item that I need for our unit. For example, let's say pens. Find the NSN that's specific for that item, then I input it into our system, which then places it on order. Another resource that we will be utilizing will be various government websites, such as DLA.mil, which is a Defense Logistics Agency website, and the GSA.gov website, which stands for the General Services Administration website, which offers a wealth of useful knowledge about this subject. Other valuable assets we have are recommendations from current government personnel that are using our client's products. This will be crucial later on in the project when it's time to start the NSN assignment process. Business with the government, best practices. The first step in this process is that we have to understand our client's business, our client's products, and our client's logistical capabilities. A company that acquires NSNs for their products must be able to produce enough product to meet the government's needs and be able to ship their products to most places in the world in a timely manner. Our client has been doing business with the government for over 20 years, and it has been shown by his track record that there is a justifiable need for his products. We will compare his products' capabilities, and their cost with other similar products that the government is currently using to assess the chance of obtaining an NSN request approval. Another best practice we will use will be to have an in-depth understanding of how exactly the Defense Logistics Agency process works in regards to new national stock number assignments. Business with the government. Team objectives for the client. Our main goal for this project is to provide our client with a clear and understandable outline of the entire NSN process. We understand that time is limited this semester, so we want, at a minimum, to give our client the tools that he needs to finish the job by himself, even after the semester has finished. Another option would be future MBA teams can pick up where we left off. What we definitely don't want to do is start the process, and once the semester is over, our client not being able to do anything with our work. That for us would be a failure. We want to create dialogue with key government personnel that will be responsible for inputting the NSN assignment request. Keep in mind, this is the most crucial part because only someone inside the government can request an NSN assignment, and the outside vendor does not have this capability. Ideally, we would like to assist in the actual initiation of the NSN request. The entire process takes several months, but once it has been submitted, this will be a huge milestone for the client as well as for us. Lastly, we will give our client other recommendations for doing business with the government, such as using GSAadvantage.com, which is like Amazon, but specifically for government agencies.
Hello everyone. My name is Adon. I'm from Team 1 UNCFSU and this is my research presentation for SBTDC project. The client in this project is H&H Products Inc., a famous supplier in soap and cleaning products industry. My part in this project is to help the client fresh rebuild the website at hhprodinc.com to make it effectively serving for the business. My objectives in this project are to assist the client in identifying the major issues of the current website, and to define the criteria and qualification for an effective website. Then, to project planning for a new website, to make sure everything is on time and there's no interruption during the website transition. Also, to provide technology consulting and technical help in website development. Finally, to engage with marketing services to debut the website rank. Now this is my agenda for this website project. The main project has 3 phases. Before phase 1 week is the introduction, for initial review and personal interview with the client to understand the need and expectation. Now phase 1 week of July 1st to July 7, I will analyze the current website to identify issues and incomplete contents. Then request materials, product images, descriptions, specifications from the clients, and propose changes to the platform and the technical structure. To wrap up all required content, to boost performance and to improve the functions. To phase 2, week of July 8 to July 14, I will demo new website with sample products, and test run front-end and back-end core functions. Then client training and experience, so the client can manage this website independently. To phase 3, week of July 15 to July 23, I will propose changes to layout and design. Then publish the new website, and set up marketing services to drive traffic. At this phase, everything is ready to hit the market. Finally, feedback and closing in the last week of the semester. After the phase 3 week, we will finalize project and extend contract if the client is satisfied and wants to continue on the growth. Again, product images, product descriptions and product specifications are very important. Everything we do to improve the website and to drive the visitor will be useless if the visitor doesn't feel they understand much about our product or they're not really impressed about our product in order to make the purchase decision. Now is my basic SWOT matrix with a few factors. For the strengths, my skills in planning and project management, and my past experience in information technology. For the weaknesses, We have 3 limitations. The limitation of time. About 3 weeks from developing, testing, training, production. The limitation of available resources. Product images and product information. The limitation of technician labor. Only me and the client working on the whole website. For the opportunities. We have a lot of new technologies available on the Wix market to develop the website. For the threats. Existing competitors in the same industries. Who are already famous with better product images, better product information, better investment in the system and the labor. Costs of marketing services are increasing. Like the cost of PPC to get rank in search engine. For a brief explanation, PPC means pay-per-click. To be visible on the top of search results, we need to pay to the search engine provider like Google or Bing, and our listing position is dependent on how much we're willing to pay for every click from the online visitor. Here are the supports I need to perform this project. Communication with the client through phone, text, email. After introduction meeting, Jerry has proactively contacted to work with me by phone and email, so this is a significant advantage for the project. Individual products image and description, as detailed as possible. Currently we only have PDF catalog with item names, items cost and a few general images. Admin access to current website on Wix.com to update content, layout and test coding functions. Budgeting for website apps and marketing campaign. Now is my sharing to Jerry. Wix is a website builder platform which is easy for the end user. However, it's not an open source system to allow outside advanced user and developer to work with the code. In default, Wix platform comes with few basic functions for startup e-commerce. To satisfy higher requirements, Wix and the partners have created their own application to offer at their app market. These apps can be free or paid with a trial period. These apps are very identical for Wix platform that have been developed by many people in many years. It will save you a lot of cost if you purchase and install the apps directly from here. If you go to other IT service companies, they also buy the Wix app from the market, but they charge you much higher for their labors. So with my experience, I will assist you to analyze your need to select and install the best apps which are free or at the lowest cost. The cost you pay is the direct cost charged directly by Wix. Pay-per-click, PPC. The most 2 popular search engines today are Google Ads and Bing Ads. So there are many advertising companies who are providing marketing services. They help you to set up and manage the campaign with the search engines, but they charge periodic commission as percentage of your spending, 10% to 20%. At the end, your spending is much higher compared to the actual cost. However, with my experience, I can set up the ads campaign for you without any extra cost. I can also manage the ads to target specific clients with specific geographies, ages, gender, education, in specific locations, with specific field of interest. That will save you a lot of cost from irrelevant visitors. The cost you pay is also the cost charged directly by Google and Bing. So overall, I'm confident with my knowledge and experience in this website project. First, I want to contribute my helps at zero cost to your business as a dedication following the mission statement of UNCFSU and SBTDC. Second, I want to make many great changes to improve your website performance to make it deliver the best information to your customers for the purchase decision, and also transform your website to an effective information system to help you manage your customers' inventories, transactions, and your whole business electronically. Thank you for your time with my research presentation.
Hello, Professor and class. My name is Katrina Ramsey, and I am a part of Team 1. I will be going over building a capability statement. A capability statement tells potential clients who you are, what you do, and how you are different from your competitors. Government contracting has developed into a competitive marketplace. Companies of all sizes successfully sell products and services to government agencies. A capability statement is a critical tool in the government contracting, no matter what size company you represent. What is a capability statement? A capability statement is a snapshot of your company that serves as a resume for your business. It is a concise overview of qualifications and experience. Capability statements are used to compare you with other vendors. Many government agencies require that a capability statement be submitted with bids. Similarly, prime contractors can require potential subcontractors to submit capability statements before doing business with them. Clearly shows why you are a fit for the customer, demonstrates your distinctive competencies, provides essential information to customers and partners, and is a marketing tool. Key takeaways. A capability statement is an important element in marketing and promoting your business. It informs your existing and potential customers about your business capabilities, which include who you are, what you sell, what core competencies you bring to the table. It also includes specific information about qualification, credentials, and differentiators, products and services, corporate data.
Hello, my name is Jonathan Richardson, and I'm a member of Team 1, working with the company H&H. Their website is as shown, www.hprodinc.com or hhprodinc.com. One of the things that the client wanted us to work on was the market analysis on the attractiveness and the dynamics of a special market within a special industry. Just to briefly describe the objectives, the client has requested information on the attractiveness and dynamics of a special market within a special industry. We'll do that by providing a market analysis, which speaks to the quantitative and qualitative assessments of the market, competition, and other factors to further help the client. Just to go over the next steps throughout the week, the client should be and will be provided with information to further analyze the situation within the first week of contact. We're going to focus on competitors, compare sizes, trends, and growths of the current market to better position the client from a competitive standpoint within the industry.